So, good morning, everyone. Today is November 9th, 2022, and Wednesdays. We can take a look from the tops. Dow SP 500 lost a little bit. So, NASDAQ gained up like 5 points, and Dow Jones gained up like 60 some. They ran around 60 some to 80 some points. So, remember, Dow Jones is the biggest sectors in America, and they move really, really fast. So, crude oil was seen as down a little bit, but especially it's not down at all because they use the storage oil. So it's go down a little bit, and we can see all the food price kind of mix and match. So free market, the most active stocks. MACK, we get 180% gained. That's mean. It was like $4 before, and right now it's like 11.2, almost 11.5. So Meta gained up like just 3%, and Tesla gained up like almost 2% this morning. And especially Core and DWAC lost pretty much, but not that much like UPS S24 almost 25%, and CARG is like lost more than 20%. Especially who got that DWAC with the put, and they collect pretty good money on it. But from now to this week, is Amazon, Tesla going to be back again because a lot of the shareholders already leave, and with me, I know a lot of shareholders already sign in, and they're going to get a share in the next couple of days. That's mean the stock going to be jump pretty much higher again. So we can tell on here DIS and NVSA. It's kind of the most biggest box and lost a lot, like Meta and Fox and FOXA is getting more than others. So by the way, we can tell yesterday's Apple, Microsoft, NVDA, J&G, that's Johnson & Johnson, ABBV, and DHR, MRK. That's the most kind of gain a lot from yesterday and before the markets open, and that's what they look like. But Tesla losing a lot because the owners, Ms. Elon, sorry, so $1 billion share, a lot. Some of you say like almost $20 billion shares are still nothing compared with that. This is another trick by the way he sells it, and people think like that, and they're going to sell it, and under another hand, they're going to buy it back later. Let's see. And with that discount, even though $1 move, they still make $1 billion back. So with the ETFs family, and we can see SPY is already 382, and QQ already 269. That's almost like $2 on each of them. And with the cheap one for today, we can take a look at HYG. Yep, by around $70, $71. But anyway, SP1 QQ is still the best one in ETFs family. So with the gold one, GLD, the GLD we just like $159. That's right now it's already gain of like $3, and it's with like $155 before, and it's going to be more than $160, $162 today. You can make like $3 a share. You can get 100 share, 1,000 share. You can make pretty good money, but it's pretty strong investment. So the best one we can see on here, we can do the Tesla coil on 2023. It's 0.32 cents. It's pretty cheap. Was on anyway. You can want the call is on 192.5 was like $5.20 on Tesla call on 11/11. I think that's be the best one in the option place right now. NVDA 145 puts like for 11/11. No, just move them back to December and HBI 0. Like 10 cents. That's not that bad. But by the way, we do the put is this one. I would get a call on around the end of December because I was going to be safe. So TASK is going to be the gain side on the left and the loss side on the right is 37.2%, and the loss side is 57% belong to BVS, and 49.76% is almost 50% or CM, and 35.1% is on GRWG and SKYT. GRPN is 27%. It's not that bad, but like a lot of losing for today. Some of them losing another like 40-50%. That's easily. And I don't think any famous and the big one is losing that much. Just a small company with like M plus like $400-500 million. That's the one they lose a lot. Was $1 billion company. It isn't losing that much at all. So in crypto area, we can tell. See, like a few days ago, I already report like BTC going to be down to 18, and now it's already 17. And just wait. I'm not recommending anyone to get BTC now. Wait till they come back, because like a lot of people like to get them on the dip, and we see two in the US dollar currencies green and a lot of them red. That's mean the US dollar lost. That's good. That's good for the economy. It's the keep gaining. That's what make the economies really struggle. So the first one, we still come back with Tesla and 194 right now. Whoever wanted, just keep the car in a little far away. So we 67% for analyzing. So, and we can tell like the cap is been losing a lot and it's start gaining slowly. Seeing the markets like close last night at 7 p.m. Central Time, and like we got really long hour for trading, and especially from 6 to 7 p.m. Central Time, like 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time. That's more like 13 hours for trading. Trading can be your full job, but please have to get some money to invest and save some time to watch a mile. Otherwise, you don't make much on that. So the WAC, if you do the put and you make pretty good money this morning. I got some puts like on 21, and right now 22.3 is like pretty decent. It's like $3 drop, and $3 drop is mean over $1 gain, and that's big profits on options. So if you watch out on the cap, is it's pretty stable, and but why the price just dropping down, this is the trick. If the cap keep gaining and the price dropping down, just buy the price. Otherwise, like when it's a bright moment, that's what we call it, a bright moment turn, and it's pretty hard to react. That's mean you need to set them out to sell it. let's say you buy on 21, 22, you can sell 25, 26. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day and see you guys tomorrow.